Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily save a route on the Google Maps application. So, at first we have to make a destination, so let me tap somewhere and directions. Now, to save a route on Google Maps, we have multiple ways to do so. So let me just, as you can see, enlarge it, and here we have save. We have to tap save button here, and here we have our trip saved. We can tap see trip or close it. Apart from that, I've seen somewhere that we can save this destination to our desktop on our mobile phone. And to do so, we have to tap here, these three buttons, and now we have to tap add route to home screen. Here, tap add, and let's go to our home screen, and this is our route. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.